guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, it's your girl Destiny Sade here, and as you watching this video, you can like, this girl looks a hot mess right now. Her hair's all over the place. Her hair is dry. Look, listen, I know I look a hot ass mess. Okay, I look a hot ass mess for a reason. Okay, cause your girl is finna get her hair done today. So guys, I wanted to get my hair done by the Dominicans. So the last time I went, I had a good experience. Guys, I am so sick and tired of wearing wigs, weave, braids. I wanted to wear my real hair because I haven't worn my real hair in about 6 months. I'm so serious. I want to see how much my hair grew, okay? I'm gonna need you guys to stay tuned if you want to see the final results. And y'all, for my new watchers, if you click on this video, I'm gonna need y'all to hit that subscribe button, okay? Because I don't look a hot ass mess all the time. You gotta look a hot mess sometimes. But hit that subscribe button, okay guys? So we can become friends, okay? Hi guys, so we made it to the place and I pre-washed it just a little so it can be easier for the Dominicans. But yeah, just finna get flat iron, okay? Y'all don't understand how happy I am to get my hair done.
Entonces, en Italia, el maggiore, la maggiore, la ragazza in Italia. I braica italiani.